From jackpotting to on-premise attacks to physical ATM removal, ATM crime is evolving. But so is the technology that keeps your ATM sites secure. PACOM VIGIL Core delivers a scalable, multi-layered security platform built for multi-site ATM networks. While most ATM security systems are a fragmented collection of various alarm panels, cameras, and sensors, VIGIL Core provides a powerful, unified ATM security solution to meet these rapidly evolving threats. With PACOM VIGIL Core, you have greater visibility over your operations thanks to advanced sensor technology, cameras, GPS tracking, and resilient communications, all within one intelligent ATM protection platform. Our advanced sensor technology monitors ATM environments across multiple points, including temperature, light, vibration, and more. With one solution, you can detect attacks earlier, reduce false alarms, and deliver real-time awareness of anything happening with the ATM. This helps reduce unnecessary spending for an immediate return on your investment. Earlier threat detection, fewer false dispatches, lower operational costs, improved fleet visibility, and greater ATM uptime. Request a demo today and modernize your ATM security with PACOM VIGIL Core.